Hello, my name is Lewis and today you join me in my garage where I'll be installing a dual USB charger into the back of my BMW X5 E70. This was sent by SMD Automotive to basically just show you how to install it and show you how easy it is really. So let's jump into the car and we'll get stuck in. Okay, so this is comprised of two parts. You get the universal USB dual charger all on the SMD website. I'll link it in the description below. And then you also need the little adapter if you're doing it on an X5, because this will fit quite a lot of cars, I've been told, actually, by Sam, SMD. Thank you, Sam. But all you really need is a crimping tool and maybe like a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver wrapped in like a microfiber just to stop it scratching anything. But once you've got them together, get in the back of your car and we'll show you what to do. So here's what you get in the kit. This is a dual USB charger and you can tell it's a universal one because it's got two uncrimped ends there. Look. So what we're going to do is crimp some of the little spades that we get in the X5 adapter kit that it sells on the SMD site. Easiest thing to do here is unravel these out and crimp the ends on once you can give yourself a bit of time. So you can use some pliers if you don't have a crimping tool for this as well. That's it, we're in. Nice and easy. Do the same on the other one and then we're good to go. So in mind, because I've got rear heated seats as well, I will have a couple more wires in here. Some people might even have all the control panels, but what we're looking for is this panel here with the 12-volt socket in there. Use the trim removal tool, going around all the edges, pop it off. Mine's obviously been super glued here by the previous owner, so yours should have more of a bit of a pop to it. I think I'm going to suspect on my tabs. Yeah, the tabs have snapped on mine. So the previous owner has just glued it, but don't worry too much about that. Get your trim removal in, pop it all the way around, pop it out, and this is what you're looking at. So we're going to unplug it first. Leave that in there. So I've actually unplugged the heated seats just so I can get to it a little bit easier. And we're going to need this trim removal tool. You can just about see there's a little push kind of tab in there, and that's going to push out forwards. Okay, so once you've got it out and clear and good to go, we need to feed it through the hole really. It's easier disconnecting this bit first on the wire. It makes it a lot easier. I forgot it was there, so I started feeding everything through over the fuse and what have you. But yeah, don't do that. It's a big waste of time. Feed it through, and then you need the adapter ring that comes in the kit. And then your tightening ring there. Make sure it's squared up, lined up nicely. And then tighten that up and that's spot on. All right, so the connection side of it is you want to get these two wires that we crimped earlier, and we're basically going to push them in to these two slots here. One in there, just like that. And I'm going to plug it in and make sure that it works, so these will only work one way. So you've got a 50-50 chance of getting it correct the first time round. There we go. Nice and lit up in the BMW orange. That's exactly how we need it to be. And when it's closed, you can even see it saying USB charger there. So take the ignition out, put it all back together. And that's it really. It's all together. I mean, obviously my panel doesn't clip in like it should do because previous owners snapped all the tabs on it. So I'll kind of make that seat nicely, but that's it really. You're good to go. It looks OEM. It looks like something that should have probably come out of the factory. I'm happy with it. Let's see if it charges, and that's it, good to go. So links are in the description below for the SMD Automotive website. Don't forget this is two kits if you're buying it for an X5 E70. You get the adapter kit, which has got the little circular adapter and the two crimps, and you also need the charger itself. So link in the description below. Drop us a comment below if you get stuck, I can always help you. Sam from SMD Automotive is very, very helpful as well. He's got a Facebook page, got a website, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, give him a follow as well. I'll drop his link in the description. Thanks guys, and we'll see you on the next one.